Hello everyone! In today's video tutorial, we will guide you through how to find my Facebook user ID and username. So, let's dive right in. Open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged in. Then, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, and then tap on your Facebook profile. Once you're in your Facebook profile, tap on the three dots just below to your profile picture. Then, at the bottom, select the profile link. This will copy your profile link and you can paste it anywhere. You will find your username at the end of this link. Now let's talk about getting your Facebook password. Unfortunately, Facebook does not offer any direct way to find your Facebook password. But here is a quick way to finding a password and log in to your account. Here are the steps. Tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on See More in the Account Center. Once you're in the Account Center, tap on Password and Security. And then tap on the Saved Login option. And that, choose your Facebook profile. Now here, tap on the Add Passcode button. Now you can enter your 4-digit passcode. You can simply enter this code while logging into your Facebook account. With this trick, you won't need to enter your password while logging to your Facebook account. That's it. Now you know how to find my Facebook user ID and username. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.